Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate dark mode in Google Docs. Dark mode can help reduce eye strain and give your workspace a cleaner, more comfortable look. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type docs.new and press enter. This will quickly open a new Google Docs document. Next, open a new tab in your browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Google Docs Dark Mode. From the search results, select the Google Docs Dark Mode extension. Now click Add to Chrome. When the confirmation window appears, click Add Extension. Wait a few moments while Chrome installs the extension. Once the installation is complete, return to your Google Docs tab. If you don't see the extension right away, refresh the page. After refreshing, you'll notice a new dark mode icon on the right side of your Google Docs window. Click the icon to open the extension. From here, you can enable dark mode and customize the appearance to match your preferences. Your Google Docs document will now display in a dark theme, making it more comfortable to work, especially in low-light environments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to activate dark mode in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and browser guides. See you in the next video.